Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2016 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. With just over 74,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 gas engine. It is four-wheel drive. It does have one minor on the Carfax with only two previous owners. In the front, you will find this Tacoma well equipped with high intensity headlights and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a two-tone machined alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new all-terrain tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap with keyless entry. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme here with some light gray elements and some chrome. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Toyota Tacoma. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these premium cloth seats. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will find the multi-point inspection report in the glove box of all of our vehicles here. As you can see, all the tires are 7/32 all the way around. The brake pads are good to go and everything else is green, checked off by our technicians. And we take care of the wearables here at All Things Automotive, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing a vehicle with us. Taking a look into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space. They'll enjoy nice features like all-weather floor mats. You have two cup holders, and you'll also have some storage on the back of the passenger side seat. Making our way around to the 5-foot bed, you will notice you have a nice protective liner in here. Followed up with your high-definition rear camera and all of your towing equipment, including your 4- and 7-pin wiring and your hitch receiver. And making our way up to the driver's side, let's go ahead and take a look at our power options here on the driver door. As you can see, you will have power windows, door locks, and mirror adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, you have an option for your cargo lamp and an option for your 120 outlets. Once inside, just to the right of the steering wheel, you'll have your push button start here. Let's go ahead and confirm the mileage. Nice welcome graphics here from Toyota. Should just be right over 74,000 miles here in the center display. And as far as steering wheel-matic controls are concerned, to the left you'll have some audio-based functions here, and you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And to the right you'll have a selector for that center screen. And down below on your right stem here below, you will have all your cruise controls. Bringing our attention to the main display and infotainment system, as you can see, this particular Tacoma is equipped with onboard navigation, and once I engage the rear camera, you will see a nice crystal clear display with your guidance lines here. And as far as other audio is concerned, you'll still have a CD player, AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity. Down below, you will have some simple climate controls with your four-wheel drive selections. And in the middle, you have plenty of storage here, two cup holders, and wireless charging here with 12 volt and USB and an auxiliary for alternative audio. Nice leather wrap shifter here with your manual shifting modes. Some more storage here and a cup holder, and some nice storage here within your deep storage console here. Bringing our attention up top here, you will have auto dimming rear view mirror here with your compass integrated right into the glass. Of course, up top you will have bright LED map lights, lighted vanities here on the driver and the passenger side. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dents, dings, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Tacoma. Keeping in mind it is a pre-owned vehicle and 2016, right over 74,000 miles. We do like to make them as clean as possible, but none of them are perfect. And guys, this is a very helpful resource. If you are shopping from further away, hey, we appreciate you shopping with All Things Automotive, but before you make the trip to our dealership, we want to be upfront and transparent. Starting in the front of the hood, you will have cosmetic blemishes, a little bit of wear and tear here. Nice sport hood, gray metallic exterior. Paint's in good shape, but you are going to have just some minor cosmetic blemishes here, some light scuffs and scratches. Your chrome grille insert is in great shape here, other than some peeling right here. So kind of a smoked tint, not all the way chrome, but you are going to have some peeling there, as you can see. Headlights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation. You're going to have a little bit of wear and tear here in the front as far as stone chips and imperfections in the paint. A little bit of wear and tear here on your splitter here just before we get to your lower bumper fascia. And as you can see, some of your hard plastics are starting to fade. Coming around the wheel and tire setup though, no curb rash on the wheel, but you will see some imperfections here on the spokes. Nice paint matched trim pieces around your wheel and tire setup. Looking at the mirror cap, no large blemishes there. All the way down to your rockers, everything's super clean. Badging is in good shape. Now, some of the trim pieces here on your outer door are gonna have some wear here, as you can see. Light scuffs and scratches around the door handles. Let's take a look inside here, guys. No stains or tears or rips on the passenger side door card. Interior is very clean and no odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive. Cloth seats are in great shape here, as you can see. No rip stains, tears, or discoloration. Headliners clear as well. Let's go ahead and take a look into the back seat here, guys. You have your all-weather floor mats. No scuffs or scratches on the backing of the seats. No large stains or anything. So the interior is exceptionally clean here. Manual rear sliding glass. Now you are going to have some PPF here, but you are going to have some wear and tear from the road. Most of it is on the protective film, but it does come into the paint matched trim piece around your wheel and tire setup here. Wouldn't necessarily call that a flare. No curb rash here on the rear passenger side wheel. And coming around to your tail lights here, nice and clean, no cracks, no condensation, no yellowing. And then your rear bumper here with your hard plastics, not a lot of discoloration here, no dents or dings. All of your towing equipment looks good. You will have some scuffs and scratches around your tailgate latch here. And taking a look at the bed, your protective liner here, you are going to have some scuffs and scratches. Looks like the bed was used just a bit, but all in all, pretty good condition for a 2016. Coming up the driver's side, no dents or dings. I do see here on the driver's side rear, you have a small scratch here. No curb rash on that wheel. Continuing on, again, you have some wear and tear from the road, like stone chips. Most of it is on that PPF, but it does creep into the paint here. Cab corners and rockers, all good. All the way up here and down to your trim here on the outer door. That film is going to have some discoloration here and then light scuffs and scratches behind the door handle. Guys, if you have any questions on this Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 2016 with the V6, give us a call at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's a super easy process. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And hey, make sure you ask your sales consultants about extended coverage, because this Tacoma may qualify. So give us a visit here at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.